Hey guys, I am back with this week's new releases, and I'm so excited because we have the March monthly kits, and I have my big camera this time, which is exciting. I finally remembered to bring it to the office today so I could film these, and excuse my my nail polish is chipping a little bit, but I wanted to get this video up for you guys. And so first we'll start with the Ethereal March monthly kit, and this is our clip art kit, and I really love these colors a lot. I love the dark, like anytime I do these types of kits with like the dark like black in the background and like all lighter colors, you guys seem to really like them, and I do as well. I think they're just very different and like unique kind of. So here is the first page. I love this font. I love this blush pink. I think it is so gorgeous. I changed the fonts up on here as well on the date covers just to kind of make things a little different. And then here's the other top strip that says do all things with kindness, and I thought that would be a nice quote to follow by for March. And then you have all the different colors here. So you have the light gray, dark gray, you have this really pretty blush pink, and you have this kind of coppery, like, I don't even know what the word would be for this, like a coppery metallic-y bronze type glitter. I think bronze would be a good one. You have all the different holidays. I doubled up on these ones because they're on the same day, so I just figured that would be easier for you guys. Just put one down, you have both of them. And then you have the icons, you have the sidebar stuff and all of the sidebar headers. And then you have the last page with these gorgeous date strip cover-ups. I love the blush tones in this kit. Like, I am all about it. So that is the Ethereal March Monthly. And then we have the Ethereal March Monthly Notes page kit, which I also have, and it's for the notes page and right before your monthly overview, your monthly layout. I don't know what I'm trying to say. I think you guys know what I mean. So here's the Ethereal one. Super gorgeous. Love it. Kept it pretty simple. I really kind of kept them simple this month, and I really like that a lot because sometimes they get hectic with how much you have going on, you know? And then we have the other kit, which is the photograph kit, and this is Cozy. So this one I thought was so gorgeous, so soft and like calming and relaxing. And I really like this one. I love, you have like the little coffee with the gold spoon, you have the different, you have like the rug blanket, I think it's a blanket, and then you have the like shaggy fur rug here, and then the wood, and you have a bit of a computer. I just love this kit. I think it's so pretty. And I like the colors too. I like all of the blush neutral tones, and you have a little bit of yellow in there to make it kind of more spring. It's a very soft spring, which I thought would be really nice. And then up top it says eat, drink, and be cozy, because I feel like, you know, coffee and tea and just like, I don't know, just comforting warm foods is like what I'm all about in the early spring / late winter. I feel like that's when we get a lot of rain, so I just thought this would be really nice. And then you have, again, all of the different holidays, and you have all the appointment labels. And then here are your icons and your sidebar that stacks up to actually make like one full pattern, which I thought would be nice. And then you have your date cover-ups, your full boxes, and all of your build-dos, etc. So that is everything in the Cozy monthly kit, and this is the photograph one, like I said. And then we will also have the notes page kit for the Cozy, which I thought would be so pretty, and it is gorgeous. It is so pretty and fun. I just love these warm, they're very warm, cozy colors, which I like. I thought that'd be very nice for like I said, early spring, late winter. So that is everything going up this week. And I will say that these will be restocked the first Friday in February. So that's how my monthly kits always work. They have the first release, and then they come back again for the first Friday in whatever the following month is. So it will be February. First Friday of February, these will be restocked if they sell out. If they sell out super fast, like within 24 hours, you guys know I'll just restock them then. But otherwise, they'll be restocked first Friday of February. So I hope you guys like this week's new releases video. I hope you guys like these new kits for the March month. And let me know down below what you're thinking of picking up, which one is your favorite. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a wonderful week, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!